Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is update of week 6 with Nicole. So, how's it going, Nicole?
Well, your face says it all. I didn't gain weight, but I didn't lose weight. But overall, I'm okay. I'm still tweaking what I should be eating. And
Do you think like you still can make your goal by week 10?
Oh yeah, I think so. I think there's things that my brain just needs to wrap itself around, and once I get there, I think I'll be golden. It's a slow process for me. I'm a slow learner. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay. So how much do you weigh as of today?
I am 197 today.
Okay, so there is no change from last week,
No.
right? Okay. So let's wait for, I'm looking forward to interview next week, and let's see, hopefully have good news.
Yay!
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thanks.